A good day, friends. Now in today's problem sums video tutorial, we talk about a question that uses the substitution concept. Now this question was taken from Red Swastika Primary School, end of year exams from the Primary 5 paper. Rita had some money. She spent 1/4 of her money on 9 notebooks and 9 pens. The cost of each notebook is 3 times the cost of each pen. Then she decided to buy some more notebooks with 5/8 of her original sum of money. How many notebooks did Rita buy altogether? Now what we know for sure is that she has bought at least these 9 notebooks, right? Of course, together with these 9 pens. But in addition to this, she went to buy more notebooks with 5/8 of her money. Original sum of money, not the remaining amount of money, the original sum of money. So the question is, how many notebooks can I buy here with 5/8 of the money? Alright, now to do this, we can investigate using this fraction over here. 1/4 of her money will get her 9 notebooks and 9 pens. And what we can do very quickly is to change these pens into notebooks so that we can know in total if she used 1/4 of her money, how many notebooks can she buy, so that we can relate it to that 5/8 of her money later on. So now 9 pens, how many notebooks is that? Look at this statement. The cost of each notebook is 3 times the cost of each pen. So what does it mean? It means that one notebook is the same as 3 pens in terms of cost. So if I want 9 pens, right? If I want to change these 9 pens from 3 to 9, you multiply by 3. So we do the same thing on the left side. So 3 notebooks. Alright, so 1/4 of her money can actually buy 9 notebooks plus an additional 3 more notebooks. So 9 plus 3, this is equals to 12 notebooks. Alright, and 1/4 is the same as times 2 here is the same as 2/8 of her money can actually buy her 12 notebooks. Now why do I change this denominator to 8? Because in the final statement here, they said that 5/8 of her original money was used to buy more notebooks, right? So now I know 2/8 can buy 12 notebooks, which means 1/8. You can use a unitary method from here on of her money. Can buy her 12 divided by 2. This is 6 notebooks. So with that, we can be very, very sure that, hey, 5/8 of her money can buy her 6 times 5, 30 notebooks. So in total, friends, how many notebooks can she buy? She bought 9 here. She didn't buy 12, because 12 is just something we change so that we can solve the problem via a unitary method. So she bought 9 initially, plus another 30. So the answer for this question is 39 notebooks.